Okay guys, I wanted to do an opening of my Taste of Home box, quarterly box. I learned about this from Tina H, and she's here on YouTube. I've known her since I started doing YouTube videos. Just love her to death. And so she was opening hers, and it inspired me. To join too. So this says I love me some home gadgets and stuff like that. Okay, let me figure out how to get this open. Okay, here we go. Oh, came out here. So hopefully the sun won't get in the way. Ha! So there it is. Here it is, and it's time to see what's inside. Okay, then we have a special delivery envelope. Ooh, and this comes with recipes. I remember that. Basic homemade bread. Oh gosh, guys, I love to make bread. Oh my gosh, so excited. Vegetable and beef stuffed red peppers. Best deviled eggs. Oh, I love me some deviled eggs. Oh my gosh. And skillet steak supper. Let's see. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And pina colada icebox cake. Whoa. I'm sorry guys, the sun's coming down and probably not the best time to film breakfast quiche. And oh, I just made this weekend. This is so weird. Quick and easy strawberry jam. You would have by now already seen the day I made strawberry jam, but that is cool. Now, is that not cool? Oh my gosh. Huh. Okay, so there is my recipes. I'm excited about that. I love recipe cards. I remember my mom used to have one of those containers that you had all her recipe cards in there. I don't know whatever happened to it. Okay, and then ooh, a chop to pot mini. Oh, that is awesome. It looks like, let me quit opening out the package since the sun's going to glare on that plastic. Now that is cool. It's like you're able to chop on it, and then you're just able to, you know, put it on your pot and just put the stuff in your pot. That is awesome. Oh, it's folds, guys. It folds. Look at this. So you can get it to go right directly into your pot. That is awesome. That's awesome. Awesome. I love it, love it, love it. So far, I am loving this package. Okay, let's see. Is the sun gonna... Okay, is that a little better? Maybe? Let me see. Maybe that's a little better. And I'll scoot over a little bit. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, we got a mini chopula chopping set and special. Oh, okay. So say like you had a box of brownies and stuff. Well, on the side here, you can cut with it and then take it out. Oh, that is so cool. And it can also be a spatula. That is awesome. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. This is, let's see what this is. This is the collapsible mini colander. Oh, okay. Like for blackberries and stuff. So it's collapsible, but you have a, you know, like your little blackberries or your little thing of strawberries or little blueberry things you need to wash. Well, that is just awesome. I am a kitchen gadget collector from everywhere, from all over. Okay, and then the next thing, it looks like, oh, we have a baster, a silicone basting. Oh, this is a nice one. Not, you know, the ones at the Dollar Tree. I love, still have them, still use them. But this is nice and thick. It's got a nice and thick base. I don't know if you can see. But anyway, that's what it is. This is a silicone baster, pastry brush. And then what, this is in a box, let's see. This is, Ooh, a knife sharpener. I got a knife sharpener. That's awesome. Let's see. It's from the brand Zule, I guess how you pronounce it. But that is nice, guys. Now, my husband will be more into this than I am because I have an electric sharpener, but that is cool. Look at that. Ah, that is awesome. And it has a little instruction, little thing that comes with it. I don't know if I'll do this as a separate video or if I'll just include it in today's vlog that I've already started. Been to Athens. I took you to Athens. We went to the library to upload videos. And then I came home, collapsed. Ooh, an herb saver. Keep the fresh freshest. Triples your life of your herbs. Your basil, cilantro, mint, parsley, rosemary, asparagus. And let's see here. Let's see if I can. I'm the worst about figuring out how to open up boxes, guys. I think it's because I'm not patient enough. I want it to hurry up and happen. And so I end up ripping. Plus, they always put those little. Here's my little thing. Oh my gosh! My little thing lost its cutter. I don't know where it went. Oh my gosh. Okay. My X-Acto knife lost its knife. Should be out here somewhere. Okay, let's see here. So it looks like it has a little, okay. That's where you would put water in it, I suppose, to keep your, when you put your herbs in here. Let me see if I can figure out how you open it. There should be, I don't want to break. Oh, there you go. You just kind of squeeze it. Now the sun's moving. Like your herbs. Yeah, you would just put your herbs in here, put the water back here, put this on it, and it would keep your herbs. Oh, cool. Because I always get cilantro and I end up not being able to use it fast enough. And then before I can put it in the freezer, it ruins. That is awesome. Cool. Okay, I'm going to put that back in there. Okay. And then it comes with these little wriggly things here. And something else. I would assume that's a spoon rest or something. They really don't have a tag on it or something. But I say it's a spoon rest. Or you could even use it for a soap dish if you wanted to. But this is for kitchen. I would say spoon rest. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this cookbook, guy. Oh my gosh. This is a big cookbook. Look at this. Dig into 417 of your favorite dishes. Love me some cookbooks. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. Bing Bang shrimp cake sliders. Ooh, that sounds good. That is awesome, guys. Nice recipes. I mean, this has, how many pages? It is a 320 page, that's with index. I guess with the recipes, it would be 315 pages. Oh my gosh, that was a good box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me put this stuff back in here so I can get it back. I just wanted to open it with the first time I've got one, and I think if I understood it right, Tina, you can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but it comes quarterly, so that is awesome. Okay guys, I have a Temu haul that we're going to open together and see what all that I ordered. I ordered a couple of dresses and keep a couple pair of shorts, and I don't remember what else is in here, but we shall see together. Okay, so I brought my scissors out here so I could open up this package. So they're packages. I don't know if you've ever ordered from Temu or not, and this is not sponsored. I mean, I bought this stuff and they don't really know who I am. So let's see here. So, I can say they do. It always comes in this big, ones that I've seen open on, and always comes in this big old orange bag. And they were pretty fast shipping because I was afraid I wouldn't get this before we left, but we did. So let me get all this out of here. Oh, I remember now. I also got a couple pairs of flip-flops. Okay, let me get this all out and then we'll open it up. I have never bought clothes from them. I've only ever ordered from them one other time. And I don't remember what I got, to be honest. Oh, I do too. I got the lights that's underneath my kitchen cabinets. Okay, here is the dress that I got. One of them. It's kind of, I'll be honest, it's kind of a thin material. And I didn't know how their sizes were, so I got size medium. So I think it may be a little big, but we shall see. I'll make it work. Okay, and then the other one is, ooh, I like this one. But again, I got size medium, so I wasn't for sure. But I love these longer sleeves. But I thought that was pretty. And this is a little thicker material than the other. I'll have to try the other one on because I might have to have a slip with it. Okay, and then for Keith, I found him a couple pairs of shorts. Well, this wind is getting something else. Let's see. A couple pairs of shorts, and at least it has this tie, so it should fit. I said, it looks like on their stuff you may want to go as true to size and not up size. I've read several reviews and a lot of them said you need to go up, so that's what I did. So I don't know, but we shall see. We'll make them work either way we go. We'll make them work. They won't be so big that they'll fall off. Okay, and then the other pair of shorts I got here. Well, they do put it in a lot of plastic. Is these. And it says, faith over fear. I thought he would like those. And then I got two of these little things. I've seen these at Walmart and other places, and they're expensive there. But these are those like white caulking that you put, around you can do it around the bathtub, or around a commode, or around the shower, in your bathroom. So I got two of those. So put Keith to work. He's thankful. He's standing over there. He's just grinning and just like, oh, he's just giddy wanting to go to work. If you believe that, Okay, and then the last two things I got were, let's see, a couple pair of flip-flops, and they're supposed to be art sport. They're really lightweight, so I'm thinking, let me try them on right quick. You won't be able to see, but I'll be able to tell you whether they fit or not. Yes, they do fit. Yes, I love them. Okay, so that's a win. Don't know yet about the dresses because I haven't tried those on. Let's see. And here's the other pair of shoes. These were like, I want to say they were like $4 or $5 a piece. Is that much? I got these. So let me try these on. These fit, but I can tell you I like the others better. I have a weird foot. It's got a long toe, and I got a very narrow foot like my mother. So it's hard to find shoes with straps like that where they goes over like that. That's not too big, but I think they'll do just fine. Like I said, for $5, can't really beat that. Okay, so that is my Temu haul. I didn't go crazy overboard, but I am sorry, I'm doing this squeaky. I hope I wasn't doing that the whole time. I may have to do a voiceover if I was. But I hope y'all enjoyed the Temu haul and the Taste of Home. Well, I know that's done 2 different days, but I'm just going to combine them together, and I'll see you next time. Bye.